Hi, I'm David Worrell, your DIY CFO, with a quick PPP update. Today is May 14th, and the SBA released a new FAQ document last night that has some important updates for you. Let's dive right into it. So, as you know, the FAQ documents from the SBA have numbered questions. They added 3 numbered questions today, and the one you're going to want to hear about is question number 46. So a couple days ago, we were talking about question 31 that said, how do you certify in good faith that you needed the money? And if the SBA finds out that you didn't need the money, what are they going to do? Are they going to prosecute you? Somebody said they were afraid of going to prison for using the money if they didn't really need it. Well, we got some good news today, so everybody can exhale now. The SBA has determined that everyone needs the money. Here's exactly what the question says. How will the SBA review borrowers' required good faith certification concerning the necessity of their loan? So remember, the good faith certification says, I'm raising my right hand, and I'm certifying that I need this loan, that my loan request is necessary. So in fact, the exact wording on the application that you sign says, current economic uncertainty makes this loan request necessary to support the ongoing operations of my business. That's what you self-certified for. And people were getting up in arms about that. Today, the SBA said, you know what? Any borrower that together with its affiliates received a loan less than $2 million will be deemed to have made the certification of necessity in good faith. So they really just took that whole question right off the table for you. You can relax now. Nobody's going to come after you for trying to determine whether you needed the loan or not. If your business is booming, great, all the better. If your business is sucking, that's okay too. You obviously need the money. So as long as you didn't get more than $2 million, you do not have to worry about that certification anymore. You got more than $2 million, you can still certify. You can still qualify as a needed loan, but it's likely that they will look at your situation a little more carefully. Since I don't know anybody that got more than $2 million, I'm going to ignore that question, and I'm going to tell you about the 2 other quick updates that they gave us. Question number 45, as long as they're going in reverse order, is the employer that repays its PPP by the safe harbor deadline of May 14th eligible for the employee retention credit? Let's read that one backwards. There's a tax credit called the employee retention credit, and it says that you can take off of your income taxes, the company's income tax, when you file next year. You can get a credit for keeping people employed this year, but you can't have both the PPP and the tax credit. So if you have applied for the PPP, you get the PPP, and you send the money back by May 14th, that's yesterday, then the answer is yes, an employer, sorry, that's today. Today, if you send the money back by today, yes, you can apply for the tax credit next year on your corporate income tax. Okay, so you still can't do both, but if you get the money and send it back today, you're okay for using the tax credit next year. Question 44, how do SBA's affiliation rules apply with regard to counting the number of employees in foreign and U.S. affiliates? So some of my clients are subsidiaries of foreign companies, and we never knew. Do you have to count the number of people in a foreign company or not? The answer is yes, you do have to count them. So you can imagine a big German company, BMW maybe. Maybe they have a little office in the United States with only 400 people in it, and they would qualify under the SBA guidelines of being a small business because they have fewer than 500 employees. Well, they're also going to look at the German affiliate and say, no, sorry, you have thousands of employees in Germany. You no longer fit the basis for our small business with fewer than 500 employees. So that's question 44. You do have to count the number of employees in your foreign and U.S. affiliate together in order to qualify for the small business standard. That's it. Today's the 14th. That's your update. You are now up to date with the PPP. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you get the next updates. We are still expecting one huge new document either today or tomorrow with regard to the total forgiveness guidelines. And you can bet as soon as that comes out, I'll hop on here. And the only way you're going to know is if you hit subscribe and ding the little bell there to be notified of when a new video is ready for consumption. So thank you very much for watching. Call or write anytime. As my mom says, don't forget to call. Call or write me anytime. Email me david@fusecfo.com with any questions about the PPP or how to survive this strange time we're in. I look forward to it, and I answer each one personally. I will give you my promise. Thanks.